Good day all, welcome back to South Africa, and this is South African Prepper. So this coming Wednesday, the 21st, the President of South Africa and his whole entourage is going to be visiting the White House and speaking to Trump, or President Trump. So that's going to be interesting. I do know that sections of this will be live. Unfortunately, I don't have the facilities to do a live broadcast, but the questions that I would like for them to answer, and we will see if this ANC presidential team will be able to answer them, and hopefully it will be asked by Trump and his team, is number one, why do you keep on having BEE regulations and rules and acts after 35 years? Why do companies that want to invest in South Africa need to forfeit 30% of their business when they want to enter South Africa? Now, if he's going to ask Cyril Ramaphosa that question straightforward, just like it is, I can tell you he won't honestly answer that question. And then the answer or the question about land expropriation. What is going on with land expropriation? Why, Mr. President of South Africa, you had to go and change the rules and regulations on expropriation? Why are you doing it? And then obviously, Cyril Ramaphosa will refer to apartheid and how bad it was, and people were dispossessed of land, and there's a need for land, and white people in South Africa actually own 80% of the land. That's maybe the direction he will go. And I actually hope he goes into that direction, because the Trump administration is informed. They are not getting the information from Twitter or Facebook or YouTube. They're getting the information, I think, from something like 17 or 18 different departments within America that does intelligence stuff. They don't go on Twitter to find the information, Mr. Ramaphosa. And then obviously I would like for Mr. Trump to ask Cyril Ramaphosa, what about the song Kill the Farmer, Kill the Boer? Give us, Mr. South African President, Mr. Ramaphosa, tell me about that. Why do you allow Parliament members to sing Kill the Boer, Kill the Farmer? Please share that with us. And how is it that your constitutional court actually says that it's okay for political party members in Parliament to sing songs about killing other people? You must ask it just like that, straight out of the box. Mr. Trump, I wish I had a direct line to you. I could write you some questions. This could be a real fucking shit show, ladies and gentlemen. Then obviously there are a whole string of small little nitty-gritty questions that the Trump administration can ask the South African government or entourage, or things like the quota system. Why is it that you have quota systems within universities, for an example? Why do you have quota system in sports, of all things? Why can you not allow South Africans to enter the universities and sporting sectors on merit, based on their performance? Not on race, based on performance. Ladies and gentlemen, I promise you today, we are in for a good show. We are in for an extremely good show coming up, because I said it before, the Trump administration are not born under a rock. They are very, very well informed. And then the last question, just because, is why have 59 of your white South Africans left for America? Please explain that to me in the simplest terms. And please don't refer to them as being cowards, because that is not an answer. Do not refer to them not being able or willing to integrate. Tell us about why your country is failing. Why service delivery in many, many cities are just not happening. Infrastructure is crumbling. Unemployment is rising. 84 deaths or murders per day. You see, ladies and gentlemen, even my dogs are getting upset whilst making this video. So there's a whole string of questions that I wish and I hope the Trump administration will ask the South African government. Because really, and it's quite an important meeting because the AGOA agreement is one of the things that will be discussed. And part of the AGOA agreement states clearly property rights needs to be intact. And it's not intact in South Africa anymore. The question about race. I know Trump has been cutting the, what did they call in America, the DEA, similar to our black economical empowerment schemes. So I know he's not for that specific method of getting black people into power. So that is the basic questions. And ladies and gentlemen, the cracks will show in the South African government. I personally do not believe these people are mature enough and they are not good enough. They are stupid to go. In actual fact, if I was them, I wouldn't go. Because the truth is going to come out. This is South African Prepper. Please like, share and subscribe. And God bless.